Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how to do these pretty marble nails. Pretty pink color. So yeah, let's get started. This is what you'll need. You need some alcohol, the gel, the 2 colors I'm showing you. I'll get it. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So right now I'm just putting on a coat. Yes, I'm putting on a coat and just going to give it one good coat. Then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to put on the second coat. I will put on 3 coats for this one just because I really want that really soft pink, but I want it to like really show up and not be pale. So we're going to cure it again. And third coat, here we go. I was so out of frame, y'all, so forgive me. So I'm noticing I did 4 coats. I told y'all 3, but yeah, there's 4. Okay, all right. And we're going to cure it again, 30 seconds. Now we're going to start marbling. Here I'm just placing that color dance. So I'm placing that color dancing with me on there with alcohol and just marbling it however I like. So yeah, you just got to play with it, figure out what you like. Girl, I'm very particular. Like, I will work and work until it's what I want on my nails. So yeah, but there's no wrong way to do this. So just have fun with it. Just keep trying to keep going. Trial and error. That's what we do with anything. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And y'all, this is better because, you know, your girl is not that fast at all. So yeah, I don't know. This set took me like, what, 16 minutes? It wasn't long. Like, it didn't take that much, but still. So yeah, I'm going in with my detailing brush and just making those lines more pronounced. And now I'm going to use a matte top coat. So now I'm going to go for this matte top coat. This is by Daily Charm. And when I do that, I'm going to get my striping brush or detailing brush, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to go back over to give it that texture look. So these are like a textured marble. But if you don't want the textured marble, do not go back through it. Because I'm just making some of the lines more pink and more pronounced. But yeah, you don't have to do that if you don't want the texture. But I just kind of want the texture. Like, you can see the texture, but it's not like bulky or anything. And here are my finished results. They are so cute and I just love them so much. All right, bye.